మీడియా మిత్రులందరికీ, అలాగే మా చీఫ్ గెస్ట్ గా వచ్చిన రామచంద్రరావు గారికి మరియు సుధాకర్ సార్ గారికి, ముఖ్యంగా ఇక్కడికి మా సినిమా హీరోయిన్ గారు చాందిని గారికి, మిగతా ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిన అందరికీ నా యొక్క నమస్కారాలు. నాకు ఈ సినిమా ఎందుకు చేయాలనిపించింది, ఈ సినిమా నేను అప్పుడు కూడా చూసిన, ఇప్పటికి కూడా ఈ సినిమా ఫ్యాన్ నేను. మీరు ఇక్కడ గమనించడం లేదో, ప్రతి రీల్స్ లో ఇప్పటికీ ఈ సీన్ రిపీట్ అవుతుంది. గాడ్ ఈస్ గ్రేట్. ఇక్కడ సంధ్యా 70mm లో 100 రోజులు ఆడింది. ఈ సినిమా నిజంగా చెప్పాలంటే ఈ సినిమా నేను రిలీజ్ చేయడం నా అదృష్టం. ఇది మన ఉపేంద్ర గారు కూడా ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి ఒక రోజు మొత్తం ఉండి అన్ని ఛానల్స్ కు గాడ్ ఈస్ గ్రేట్. నిజంగా ఈ రోజు రిలీజ్ అయింది, అన్ని థియేటర్లలో ఫుల్ పోతుంది. ఈరోజు దేవిలో స్పెషల్ మార్నింగ్ షో ఫుల్ హౌస్ఫుల్ పోయింది కదా. ఈ వారం మొత్తము అన్ని థియేటర్లో డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ మొత్తం 50 థియేటర్ రిలీజ్ చేశాం. ఈ సినిమాని నెంబర్ 1 థియేటర్ 50 థియేటర్ ఈ రోజు రిలీజ్ చేశారు. నాకు చాలా గర్వంగా ఉంది. ఈ సినిమా మీరు అందరూ ప్రతి ఒక్కరూ చూడాల్సిన సినిమా. ధన్యవాదాలు. ముఖ్యంగా మా చాందిని మేడం మాత్రం నేను రుణపడి ఉంటా. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
మంచి సినిమా చూడాలి. దీని గురించి నేను విన్నాను. 98 I think it was hit at that time. You are great.
Cinema art culture కదా, అది ఒకటి God's gift. Not everybody will get it. So any successful person should have spent 10-15% of his money, time in this area, because that's how for generation లో కూడా ఇది ఆర్ట్ కల్చర్ పైకి వచ్చింది. సెకండ్, నేను సినిమాలు ఎప్పుడు చూస్తానంటే when I take international flights, నేను నెలకొకసారి బయటపోతాను. మై బిజినెస్ కమిట్మెంట్స్. మనం న్యూయార్క్ వెళ్తాం అనుకోండి, 14 గంటలు ఉంటుంది, దాంట్లో ఒక సినిమా చూస్తాను. Otherwise, whereas I see a theater, I don't.
It's not everybody is thinking love means if you love somebody you become happy, but you have to hold on to love to enjoy love. So that's the main theme. Side theme is about the story of it, but my experience has been fantastic in the film industry. It is not at all like the films at all. Just to let you know my story, I went back after A and I went on to complete my education. Amma had told me you have to finish your studies, so I went on to do my bachelor's, my master's and my PhD. So it was a sacrifice. So as a star I was studying, but God has been kind. In between that, one movie I got in between. So I have done 25 films as a heroine across in different regions. Big hits. My second film was also a Telugu film, AK-47. It was Kannada and Telugu. AK-47 with Sai Kumar and Shivraj Kumar, which was a big hit. So they said, oh, she's a lucky heroine. But my journey is all a God's journey. Upendra has never seen me before he took this film. He has seen 300 girls, but he's a fantastic director, as you will all see. He was only 26 or 27 years old. He saw many girls, but he wanted something in his head. He wanted one particular thing, because it's a negative and a positive. So I took part for a beauty pageant in New York. I was in New York and I took part. I got Miss Photogenic. Somehow the photos came. Somebody took some photographer had taken a photo and it reached his assistants. So they said, this is Meena, this is Rita. Then they were laughing. Then they said, this is the same girl. He said, where is she? Find her. So he has taken me for this very important movie without seeing me. And straight from New York I came and I came to the set and I started shooting. When I came, they thought, oh, she's going to be a big model. They said, this Chikkudgi, how will she be? She's not, this is my, even I'm sitting there and wondering, how did I perform? But A changed my life. Before that, I thought I will study, I'll, get married, I'll work. That was the plan. But God has a different plan for each of us. So I think that we just go with the plan. So I never had anything, this is my career, this is it. I just went with the flow. I also want to tell you one more thing that I have done. After I finished PhD, everybody said, you have studied, you have not done anything. So I have been in distribution of movies with Sony Pictures. So all the James Bond and Spider-Man and all, I have marketed and distributed. So that is why Lingam Garu said, I was involved in promotion, because I'm saying, what is this? You have to promote. So, but I thank Lingam Garu so much, because print is very nice, and it is done, but I hope you will enjoy it. So any one more question that we can...
అప్పుడు ఫిల్మ్ మేకింగ్ ఇప్పుడు మీ ఫిల్మ్ మేకింగ్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంది.
Actually, Upendra filmmaking is very futuristic. Even today, this is looking like fresh. And it was a reverse screenplay. It was a big hit in Japan. Across, even today in Hindi, many people wanted to remake it. So I feel that technically, yes, we have grown. You will see in UI now he's going to do something fantastic. But Upendra is a director that we can be proud of in India. It's not only for the South. I think he has to be a national director for sure. So
Everyone says an Indian Christopher Nolan.
yeah, something, no, there is, because at that age he was, in fact, Sum Sumne's song, I did all the costume because he was so involved in shooting. He didn't care about himself that I'm the hero. So it was a fantastic experience. To answer your question, they were all wonderful. I have acted in Kannada, Tamil, Telugu also I have done. Gujarati, I got the state award from a 16-year-old girl to a 60-year-old woman. Bhojpuri, the biggest hit, Ganga Jason Maya Hamar with Ravi Kishan. Just like this, it was a big hit there, and Ravi Kishan's first film became a superstar. So my experience has been wonderful in the industry.
One more question. So fight sequence in the movie, and that's a very tough.
The fire one?
Yeah, fight sequence. So appatlo
It was very tough. It was very tough because they tied me. I am inside. The camera and a whole unit is outside. And also I had long hair and all of this. So in between, I asked Upendra. So I told my assistant, bring some water and keep alarm outside, and I'm alone tied up, and they put all this thing on the fire. Put the fire, and all are running with the out. I am alone. So I was a bit scared, I have to tell. So I told my assistant, bring water and bring blanket. So Upendra got very angry. What do you think, Namanshalla? We will leave you there. Then I told him, sir, in the dialogue you saw, no? He said in the dialogue, everybody will find their own thing. And he was okay, but I was very scared. And after shooting last scene, scene, we burnt that house. Somehow when I was going in the car, because 3 months I shot, 3 to 4 months fully, I felt sad. Something I felt sad because I had been so much in the character. I felt sad when I was leaving, I felt sad for that movie, but it's a beautiful. Then immediately from the shooting, I went back to studies. So nobody knows Chandani, where has she gone? Nobody knew. Only an AK-47 release, Muharat, first time they saw. So this is my story of it. So, yeah, any other question or?
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. A is my first film, ನಮ್ಮ ಮೊದಲ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್. ಅಂದ ಟೈಮ್లో ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ಸ್ಗೆ I could not come, but now మళ్ళీ re-releaseగా thanks to Lingam garu I have come back, and the film is now good. I'm very happy to meet all of you.